Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A chart of accounts is a listing of all the accounts used within your company file. You can open the chart of accounts by clicking the Gear button and then clicking the Chart of Accounts link under the Your Company heading. In the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online Plus, accounts are ordered as follows: assets, liabilities, equity, income, expenses, other income and expenses, and non-posting accounts. In the chart of accounts list, each account appears in a separate row. Information about the account appears in the columns. There are columns for the account's name, type, detail type, QuickBooks balance, bank balance, and an action column. If account numbering is enabled, you will also see a number column. The drop-down in the action column lets you perform the following actions on the account: edit, delete, run report, or view register. The View Register choice only appears for balance sheet accounts, like asset, liability, and equity accounts. The Filter by Name or Number field in the upper left corner of the window lets you filter which accounts appear by account name or number. To view the number column if needed, click the Settings Gear button in the upper right corner of the page, and then check the Number checkbox under the columns heading in the drop-down menu that appears. Double-clicking any account in the chart of accounts list opens the associated account register or account report. Alternatively, you can click the View Register or the Run Report link that appears within the Action column. Clicking the Delete link in the Action column causes a pop-up window to appear to confirm you want to delete the account. Click the Edit link in the Action column to open an account window where you can edit the account information. If editing an account, click the Save and Close button in the account window after editing it to save the changes to the account and close the window. Clicking the Run Report button that appears at the top of the page opens a report on the accounts in the chart of accounts, which you can customize. To the right of the Run Report button is a new drop-down button which is used to create new accounts and import accounts. Under the New button in the upper right corner of the page are three buttons that look like a pencil, a printer, and a small gear. From left to right, these are the Batch Edit, Print List, and Settings buttons. Clicking the Batch Edit button opens a page where you can edit multiple accounts at once to add account numbers or change account names. If you make changes in this page, click the Save button in its upper right corner to save the batch changes. Clicking the Print List button opens a page that contains a printer-friendly list of your chart of accounts. It also automatically opens the print dialog box for your web browser. You can close this page when you're finished examining it. Clicking the Settings button shows a drop-down menu that lets you change the settings for the appearance of the chart of accounts. Under the Columns heading in the drop-down menu, you can check or uncheck the names of the columns shown to show or hide them in the chart of accounts. Under the Other heading in the drop-down menu is the Include Inactive checkbox. If checked, it then shows any accounts you have marked inactive within the chart of accounts. Clicking the Rows drop-down in the drop-down menu shows another drop-down menu that lets you select the number of account rows to display per page within the chart of accounts.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.